Hi, I'm back. Are Khulumbai the topic I say simple jagan, but very important is needed in this topic. I brought Sanja Tony Kata, okay, Manam Banai, Jingni content creators like vloggers and content creators, okay, content creators circle. It's content creator manager like Mawanchi content ni bagay by okay, the content ni bagay, be content ko langani bisare video banai. But it's changed now. Basically Hangbai. Content sila Hangbai. For now, its views is most important. Most of the it's important to me too, to everyone. Views is important. I accept that, but don't mind about this, okay? Because mind kalma please, man ba angra ko garji ba hatred but we want to see back the same thing, vlogging system, okay? So I know lockdown jaga but at least lockdown hai videos buntoga ba vlogging kalna buntoga amani. But there are many vlogging systems, but many things are happening still, okay? But they are not doing this, okay? So Daina about news reporter Brad Dongai. Particular news reporting ni bagi surely sir. So so first of all we'll talk about Raja Khungur. So now Raja Khungur de bagi musanche okay the YouTube da videos pare first ni pang biko follow kalam basina first ni pang biko na betha kai first of all vlogging suru kalam bai Brad am vlogging. But now what happened is change cooking or suru jari indoor vlogging suru kalam bai indoor vlogging or thangla bi but cooking or thang bai. So I feel like जी content को सियां लुबी मन बे content को जों माने खम नुसि माने जेरै जी content नि बागै बे स्टार्टअप खालामदों बे content को माने एसे खम नुनाय मोनसि माने आं दायो माने many bloggers are there still आरो जाय लकडाउन आवबो बिराद मानसिया ब्लग खालामगासिनो आं मानियो but brother please don't take this in offense लाना मानो बा I want to educate the Boro peoples by the way for that जाय गोदान फैगासिनो बिसोरखौ educate खालामनो लुबैयो like नोंनो होनदोंमोन अबा मोनसे भिडिअ please don't mind मानबा बे खोथाखौ होननांगौबो जाहैबाय and this because it's इनाय YouTubers फोरनिया मा गावसोर होनदोंमोन ओके होनदोंसोमोन आं बेखौ एफा serious matter खालामला but होनदोंमोन कि like we should never mix up our content but first of all बेनो खालामबाय okay so now you just leave this thing आरो बेनोखा so I feel like you come back to your content but we want to see you back in that content chief vlogging content man because जों नायफिन लुबैयो. Now next we'll go to Pranjal. Why I'm picking next BAKHOW hantangba manba munchi why I'm picking next him is because one thing I saw about him is very important to notice. Everyone should notice this. Boy have because notice kalam tarnago manba noticeable mane hanba godoni society ko clean khalma lubi ninga ba jini community ko clean khalma birat chesta kalambai but yeah he tried and I don't know what happened but आं सानो कि लाइक मानो बे बिनिफ्राय डाइवर्ट जानानै बे न्यूज रिपोर्टिंआव बांसिन इम्पोर्टेन्स होबाय एबा या न्यूज रिपोर्टिंआव बांद्राय इम्पोर्टेन्स होबाय बाट वी डोन्ट सी द पास्ट कन्टेन्ट्स जि कन्टेन्ट दंमोन बेखौ जों नुला एबा ट्रलिं पिपल एबा सेइं पिपल अबाउट दिस एबा होननायफोरखौ जों नुला माने जों मा सुसि दायो जों नुयो लाइक न्यूज रिपोर्टिं एभ्री पर्सन इज नाउ इम्पोर्टेन्स इन न्यूज रिपोर्टिं देन थर्ड विल गो टु प्रकाश नार्जारी राइट ओके प्रकाश नार्जारी नि बागै दायो बुंनो बिनि चेनेलनि एनालिटिक्स को नायनानै एबा बिनि चेनेलनि बागै आं नायनानै आं बुंनो ओके सो फर्स्ट अफ ऑल बे स्टार्ट खालामदोंमोन कि लाइक फर्स्ट भिडिअ आइ स इज न्यूज थ ठीक आसे न्यूजनि बागै बुंबाय देन बिनि उनाव चेन्ज खालामबाय बियो वेन्ट टु सोसाइटी क्लिनिंग एबा कम्युनिटी को क्लीन खालामनायाव बियो स्टार्टअप खालामबाय देन थर्ड ही वेन्ट टु पॉलिटिक्स देन फिफ्थ नाउ ही इज डुइंग सेम थिंग रिपोर्टिंग गिविंग इन्फॉर्मेशंस या हेल्पिंग आई एम नॉट सेइंग बैड अबाउट दैट या आं गावखौबो गाज्रि होनाखै पेज गाज्रि मावदों होननानै आं बिदि होनाखै बाट आं होनदों कि लाइक कन्टेन्टआ चेन्ज जाहांबाय बर' इउटुबार्सफ्रा कन्टेन्टखौ माने मिक्स अप खालामना स्टार्ट खालामबाय सो आं सानो लाइक व्हाट दे विल लर्न फ्रम देट you people are teaching something that is like you said yourself एबा नोंसोरबो गावनो बुंदों कि लाइक कन्टेन्टखौ मिक्स अप खालामना but now you are starting mixing up. I know this is lockdown, that's why you are how much you are like you're trying to be active in YouTube, but I feel like I hope Kalama, please you should come back to your contents. You all should come back to your contents. Now last we'll go to chemistry ni content ko nasir michai blogging but now she I don't know what happened majalanko maturity ni kotha ko bungthola nisir mo michasian. If you are a mature people then you will understand this. If you're watching this nisir biko naidem ba okay ang hono sana like good first of video uploading ang para ko follow kala okay but I researched properly about her channel and then channel ko analyze kalam kung bay Hangbai okay so ang mamandang ki like first of all start with blogging. First blogging is kalam bay then he started cosmetics because to मा होनबावनो बिउटि प्रडाक्टनि खोथाया जाहैबाय कस्मेटिक्स थांबाय आं फार्स्टआव जेबो सानाखैमोन ब्लगिं खालामनो दे फाइन शी इज इन हर कन्टेन्ट बिनि कन्टेन्टआव दं होनना सानदोंमोन बाट इट चेन्ज एन्ड देन कुकिं फैबाय इटिं फैबाय स' व्हाट इज दिस इफ यु आर ए इनफ्लुएन्सार यु शुड टिच द कामिं इउटुबार्स जायहा फैगासिनो इउटुबाव बिसोरखौ माने मोजां फोरोंथ' होनद्रायाखै लाइक कन्टेन्टनि बागै खोन्था इफ यु आर डुइं द सेम कि लाइक मिक्सआप खालामदोंबा दे विल अलसो डु द सेम एन्ड लास्ट Elna Bosmutari, I think. Elna Narzary Bosmutari, I saw her YouTube channel. Cooks food, cooking channel. I literally love her channel. Why? Because it's ki bini content focused able tha. Manba bini content literally clean. G content ni bagi bani den. She is in that content always. So I literally love her for that reason, for that content. And last I will go to Alfred. Now, he is also good. He always brings vlogging videos. I literally love him. He is also the best YouTuber right now for me. I don't know about other intention, others ni bagi jiw michla, eba beriko michla content creators ko guntola. Some are there, I won't say about that, but most of all jaiha 100k plus jahi by subscriber. So I'm talking about them. So next time educate jana sio logically analyze karna ho sannango nikata bia. So how much I will say is this only, okay? So this is the end. Thank you so much. Ani video and last of all like I'm waiting for Bodoland Tiger ni reply. Nine ma reply here. I'll clarify ma khalama. Let's wait. Controversy nango. #controversy. Peace and JWNG.